What's up YouTube? Welcome to this new part of the course where you will learn computer vision. So what exactly is computer vision? So the computer vision is a branch of computer science where computer processes the image and give output based on that image. As simple as that. So for that we need a library called OpenCV2. So to install it, what you have to do is go to command prompt and put CV2 computer vision 2. Oops, sorry. Pip install CV2. Okay, what I am getting? Okay, guys, sorry for that. I forgot about that. What you have to do is pip install open CV Python. I have already installed it. That's why I'm getting requirement already satisfied. And after that, go to the folder and create a file name.py and import CV2 here, computer vision 2. And after that, guy, you should have any image. I have this. You should have any image in this folder. And after that, let's create a variable. Let's say image equals to, and what you have to do is from this library you have to import im image read, im read, and type the name of the image, galaxy.jpg. And after that, guys, what you have to do is let's check what we get if we print this img. We will get a numpy array which have the intensity of the image at a particular level. Here you can see. And if we print the shape of the image, for that what you have to do is image, then put dot shape. Let's see what we get now. Let me copy it, paste it. We will get the how many pixels are there in the vertical, and this in the, what's that, horizontal. Yep. And one more thing is that if you want the dimension of the image, for that what you have to do is use a keyword and dimension. Let me just copy it. It will give the dimension of the image which we get here also, you can see. And but we don't want this, we want the image to be printed. For that what you have to do is cv2 dot im show. It is a method which is used to show the image, and here you have to name the window, which you can name any. I am naming it as galaxy. And here you have to put the image. And after that, guys, you have to put a wait key. What is wait key? Let me tell you that also. Wait key, it is the time for which you want the image to be shown. If you put here 1000, it means 1 second. And if you put here 2000, 2 seconds. And if you put here 0, it will run till you cross the image. So I am putting here 0. And after that you have to destroy the window. You have to destroy the window for the sake of memory. And after that, let's see what we get. You will get the image, but it is not the full image. It is not fixing in the screen. And one more thing is, let me show you. If I put here 1000, it will pop here, and after 1 second it will be removed. So let it be 0, and let's resize the image. It is not fixing on the screen. For that, what you have to do is, let's create a variable resize equals to cv2, where I am, yeah, here, cv2 dot resize, and type the variable here, image, comma, and then in the tuple format you have to type the size of the image. In my case it is 1000 by 500, and after that you have to do nothing, and here you have to pass this new variable resize. Let's see, we will get the image like this. And guys, here we have printed the image, but if we want to create a new image, what we can do is cv2 dot im write, and after type the name of the image, let's say new image dot jpg, and type the variable name resize. Let's cross it. Here you can see we get the new image here. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next video I will show you how you can access the web camera using the OpenCV. So stay tuned and meet in the next tutorial.